Guys, what's going on? I know this is Mateo Vlogs and not fitness related today. However, I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Amazon for my car, just because it actually came out really good. The product, it's very heavy. I didn't think it would actually be this good coming in packaging, but I just thought I'd review it for you guys, or anybody else on the YouTube world that's got a Celica or Celica, whatever you say it. You guys can put this on your guys' car as well. So what I ended up picking up, guys, were these TRD side badges, or 3M stickers, if you guys want to call them. These are kind of like the side, I don't even know what they're called, but a lot of cars have them. The newer models, they have like those side things. I'll put some pictures up to show you guys. They're kind of like the side deflectors, or like, I don't know if wind is supposed to have anything to do with going into the engine and more air for the engine for better output, but these are just like some badges. I'll show you guys up close here. So these are them right here. They got the TRD, Toyota Racing Development, with the little logo, and it actually matches the color of my car because my car is silver with the black trim. So I got the black rims and the black everything else, black badges. So for instance, this, if I put this one down, they're actually supposed to go right here. So here's the door, okay, and they're supposed to go somewhere around here. See how it's kind of curved right there? So it looks better like that opposed to like that. So I'm gonna have to find a spot somewhere about right there, okay, and it's just gonna sit right there. Okay, I will have a link for these in the bio where you guys can pick these guys up. I'm in Canada, and these only came out to about, I think they're about anywhere from 12 to 15 bucks, and the shipping was like $1 or $2, if not free. So really nice. These will really make the car look a lot more aesthetic, and honestly, like, this is pretty heavy, and it's really nice. So it's got that nice pointy edge at the end. Okay, most of the cars have it this high, like even up here, but I want people to see it, and the side mirror is right here, so I do want people to see it. So even though it's supposed to be here, I'm gonna have to settle for somewhere in the middle there. I know it kind of, I don't know how good it'll look. See, it's already, even if I put it right there, it's kind of, the edge is not that straight on. It's supposed to be more like that, and that's sideways. So it's gonna be somewhere there. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to put it on. Honestly, this is just 3M tape. So you just unpeel this. That's why I have my blow dryer right here. So as you peel this stuff off, the more you peel off, just blow dry it, heat it up. 3M adhesive works the best when it is hot. So just heat it up after you take this off, heat it up for about 30 seconds, and then apply it on the car. It's just like a sticker, right? So that's all, guys. And then I'll show you guys the end product. So it's really nice. So link in the description. Purchase one of these.
Take out. No monkey in the jungle, block hot like a sauna. Watching nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to skip across the water glass. Sea guards out, got me be bad for Ronald. I'll bag it, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Static, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Till it's all family, if you run up with your package.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see right there, that's the finished product. So sick. So I couldn't go too low, but I couldn't go too high, just because it needs to have a nice even flesh right there. So that's the car, just by looking at it from the side. Highly recommend picking one of these up. So I did use the blow dryer just to add some heat underneath it and above it, just to make sure it really sticks. I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side, and that's the second one right there, guys. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this quick little video on the Celica. I know there's a lot more fitness stuff to come, but I just wanted to show you guys what I bought, and hopefully you guys can buy the same thing. So always hit that subscribe button, and more Celica, more fitness, more lifestyle stuff to come. See you guys in the next one.
Hey, walk it like I talk it, 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 woo, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, hey, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it.